वेलकम टू NGCon ऑनलाइन अकेडमी। इस लेक्चर में हम संडे टेस्ट नंबर 6 की केमिस्ट्री पोर्शन की डिस्कशन करेंगे। सो फर्स्ट MCQ सेज अलोंग द पीरियड एटॉमिक रेडियस डिक्रीजेस बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, इंक्रीजिंग इफेक्टिव चार्ज, इंक्रीज्ड शील्डिंग। नाउ इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इज इक्वल टू न्यूक्लियर चार्ज माइनस स्क्रीनिंग। Now along the period the number of shells does not change. पीरियड के साथ शेल्स का नंबर चेंज नहीं होता, इसलिए स्क्रीनिंग ऑलमोस्ट क्या रहती है, कांस्टेंट। अब स्क्रीनिंग कांस्टेंट रहेगी, अलोंग द पीरियड जब हम जाएंगे तो न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज़ होगा। तो जब न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीज़ हो, स्क्रीनिंग कांस्टेंट रहे, इसके रिजल्ट में इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज इंक्रीजेस। Now effective nuclear charge is the force experienced by valence electrons, यानी हमारे पास along the period valence electrons जो force experience कर रहे हैं वो increase होती है, जिसकी वजह से size decrease करेगा। Actinoid elements have which subshell under the process of filling? So now let's draw the periodic table. This is group number 1. This is group number 2 of the periodic table. Now here we start with transition elements, scandium, yttrium, lanthanum and actinium. So after lanthanum we have 14 elements from cerium to lutetium. They belong to 6th period and their 4F is under the process of filling. And in 7th period after actinium हमारे पास 14 elements हैं from thorium to lawrencium, इनका 5F under the process of filling है। तो एक्टिनम के बाद जो 14 F ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स आते हैं उनको हमने नाम दिया है एक्टिनॉइड्स, और इनका 5F अंडर द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिलिंग है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी? एटॉमिक साइज, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज, नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स एंड शील्डिंग इफेक्ट। नाउ जनरली जिन एटम्स का रेडियस बड़ा हो वो कम इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव होते हैं, बिकॉज फ्लोरीन इज द most electronegative element, and as we go down the group size increases so electronegativity decreases, so they are inverse of each other. Nuclear charge, now nuclear charge जितना ज़्यादा हो साइज उतना डिक्रीज़ करेगा और इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी उसकी वजह से इंक्रीज़ होगी। सो दिस इज़ जनरली ऑल्सो इन्वर्सली रिलेटेड टू directly related to electronegativity, because with increasing nuclear charge electronegativity also increases. Number of neutrons have no relation and shielding increases so electronegativity decreases. Which of the following transition metal ions has no unpaired electron? So iron plus 2 has configuration of 4s0 3d6. Out of 6 electrons its 4 electrons are unpaired. Manganese plus 2 is 4s0 3d5, so it has 5 unpaired electrons. Chromium plus 3 is 4s0 and 3d3, so it has 3 unpaired electrons. And zinc plus 2 is 4s0 3d10, so its d orbital is complete, so it has 0 unpaired electrons. Which radius when measured for atom is much greater than the original atomic radius? Now covalent ionic and metallic radii are generally around the original radius, but van der Waals radius is measured for noble gases. इसमें हम noble gases को करते हैं solidify. सॉलिड स्टेट में नोबल एटम्स के गैसेस के एटम्स क्लोज आ जाते हैं लेकिन एक दूसरे को टच नहीं करते। तो जब हम दो एटम्स के दरमियान डिस्टेंस को मेजर करके उसको 2 से डिवाइड करें तो हमें नोबल गैसेस का रेडियस मिलता है, जिसको हम वैन डर वाल्स रेडियस कहते हैं, जो कि ओरिजिनल एटॉमिक रेडियस से बड़ा होगा। सो वैन डर वाल्स रेडियस इज लार्जर देन द मेजर्ड रेडियस। M+3 ion of transition element has electronic configuration 4s0 3d3. The electronic configuration of neutral metal atom would be, so एक मेटल का +3 आयन है, इट इज़ 4s0 3d3. सो न्यूट्रल मेटल में हम 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस डालें तो इट बिकम्स 4s2 3d4, बट देयर इज़ नो कन्फिग्रेशन ऑफ 4s2 3d4, इंस्टेड इट इज़ 4s1 3d5. सो दिस इज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन C. Which of the following group 2 elements forms peroxide upon reaction with oxygen? So among the group 2 metals, Strontium and barium, these two are elements which form peroxide on heating with oxygen because they are more reactive, so barium is the correct option. D block elements that lie in period 5 have which shell under the process of filling? So D block elements lying in 4th period have 3D under the process of filling. So D series in 4th period is called 3D series. Similarly 5वें पीरियड में हमारे पास जो डी ब्लॉक के एलिमेंट्स फिलिंग में हैं उनका 4D फिल हो रहा है, सो दे आर कॉल्ड 4D सीरीज, सो बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. मोस्ट कॉमन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट अडॉप्टेड बाय ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स इन देयर कंपाउंड्स इज. सो मोस्ट कॉमन ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट जो कि हमें सारे ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स में मिलती है दैट इज +2. What is the product of reaction between magnesium and chlorine? So magnesium and chlorine react together to give magnesium chloride MgCl2. So C is the correct option. Zinc lies further in 3D series than copper but has a larger size than copper atom because. Now transition elements में along the period trend ये है कि शुरू में रेडियस डिक्रीज करेगा, बीच में जाके रेडियस कांस्टेंट हो जाएगा और आखिर में रेडियस इंक्रीज़ करेगा. उसकी वजह यह है कि शुरू में इफ़ेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज स्क्रीनिंग के ऊपर डोमिनेंट है, तो इफ़ेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज ज़्यादा होने की वजह से साइज़ डिक्रीज़ करता है. बीच में जाकर हमारे पास इफ़ेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज और स्क्रीनिंग वाले फैक्टर्स इक्वल हो जाते हैं, तो रेडियस कांस्टेंट रहता है और आखिर में जाकर स्क्रीनिंग इफ़ेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज के ऊपर ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट हो जाती है, जिसकी वजह से स्क्रीनिंग ज़्यादा होने की वजह से वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एक दूसरे को रिपेल करते हैं और साइज़ ज़्यादा हो जाता है. सो शील्डिंग इन जिंक आउट प्लेज द इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज. Out of the given ions, greatest size is possessed by. So keep in mind that all of the given ions are from period number 3. So in any period, negative ions have larger size than the positive, so we cut the positive ions. Negative में जिसका चार्ज जितना बड़ा होगा उसका साइज उतना बड़ा होगा, so S-2 is the correct option. Which of the following correctly pairs the ion with its outer electronic configuration and observed color? Which of the following correctly pairs the ions with its outer electronic configuration and observed color? Manganese +3, 3D4, violet. So this is correct. This is taken from textbook table. So in textbook the table of colors and ions is given. Which of the following sequences correctly represents the reactivity of group 2 elements with water? Now generally in group 2 we have a trend that as we go down the reactivity of elements generally increases. So down the group reactivity increases. So we have beryllium, then magnesium, calcium, strontium, and most reactive is barium. So C is the correct option. Which is paramagnetic ion? So paramagnetic ion is that ion which has unpaired electrons. जिस आयन में unpaired electrons होंगे वो paramagnetic होगा. So scandium +3 is 4s0, 3d0. It has no unpaired electron. Zinc +2 is 4s0, 3d10. इसका भी 3d filled है, कोई unpaired electron नहीं है. Copper +1 is 4s0, 3d10. अगेन इसका d filled है तो इसमें भी कोई unpaired नहीं है. Iron +2 is 4s0, 3d6. So out of 6 it has 4 unpaired electrons, so it is paramagnetic. Which of the following properties decreases down the group? So as we go down the group, radius increases due to increase in number of shells. Ionization energy decreases because down the group size increases. तो जब साइज़ इंक्रीज़ हो बड़े एटम से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना आसान है कंपेयर टू स्मॉलर एटम, क्योंकि छोटे एटम का इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस के करीब है, इसको निकालने के लिए ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए. बड़े एटम का इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर है, इसको निकालने के लिए कम एनर्जी चाहिए. सो डाउन द ग्रुप आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी डिक्रीजेस. Which of the following ions has highest magnetic character? So magnetic character is directly proportional to number of unpaired electrons. So let's see which has maximum number of unpaired electrons. So normally cobalt is 4s0, 3d7. So cobalt +2 is 4s0, 3d7. Chromium plus 3 is 4s0 3d3. Iron plus 2 is 4s0 3d6. And manganese plus 2 is 4s0 3d5. So maximum unpaired electrons are present in manganese, so it has highest magnetic character. Magnesium reacts slowly with cold water but reacts rapidly with steam because. So magnesium हमारे पास क्यों ज़्यादा फास्ट रिएक्ट करता है स्टीम के साथ? क्योंकि हमारे पास मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड को जब रिएक्ट किया जाए स्टीम के अंदर, सो स्टीम के पास इतनी एनर्जी होती है कि ये इसके बॉन्ड को ब्रेक कर सके. सो स्टीम प्रोवाइड्स एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी टू प्रोवाइड MgO बॉन्ड. Which of the following statements is false about transition elements? They often form colored ions. This is correct. They all follow off-pause principle strictly. No. There are many places where elements show abnormal configuration like actinium, like lanthanum. Apart from that, chromium, copper, molybdenum, etc. they show abnormal configurations and do not follow off-pause principle. They can form complex ion, correct. They exhibit variable oxidation state, it is also correct. Choose correct statement regarding ionization energy in period 3. So in period 3, we have a trend of ionization energy like this. Ionization energy of group 2 is greater than group 1, but group 2 is also greater than group 3. Then group 4 is greater, 5 is greater. Now 5 is greater than 6 as well, then 7 is greater and 8 is greater. So sulfur has greater ionization energy than phosphorus. Sulfur is 6 and phosphorus is 5. No, this is wrong. Green has highest ionization energy in whole period. No, it is basically argon, that is the correct option. Ionization energy increases regularly along period 3. This is also wrong. So B option is correct. Aluminium has lower ionization energy than magnesium. Which orbital starts filling after 4s according to off-pause principle? So after 4s in periodic table we can also see 3d starts the process of filling. So after 4s we have 3d series in which the 3d orbital is being filled. Which of the following best explains why sodium gives off intense orange flame during its reaction with both oxygen and chlorine? So, during its reaction, sodium atoms get excited. When sodium electron returns to its original state, it emits generally the orange light. So B is the correct option. Sodium excited and emits orange light upon returning to ground state. In 3D series transition elements, maximum oxidation states are possessed by. So manganese is the correct option because it has the most number of unpaired electrons. Its oxidation states start from +1 and move till +7. Which of the equation represents second ionization energy? In first ionization energy, we remove an electron from neutral atom to make it +1 ion. In second ionization energy, we remove another electron from positive ion to give +2 ion. So this is the correct equation from second ionization energy. So D is the correct option. Which of the following 4D elements follow the expected configuration without exception? So molybdenum, niobium and rhodium, all of them show abnormal configurations. Yttrium is 4D element, so its electronic configuration is 5s2 4d1, which is as expected according to its position in the periodic table. Why alkali metals only form MCl type of chlorides and not MCl2 or MCl3? Because alkali metals have single valence electrons, so they can only donate one electron to form a single ionic bond, so they form only a single type of chloride. In transition compounds usually are colored in solution because of. So transition elements have d orbitals with same energy, but when they form complexes, d orbitals split in energy and electrons transfer from one d orbital to other d orbital, which is called dd transition. This transition always lies in the visible region, so transition elements are colored. Correct reaction between sodium metals and oxygen gases. So this is taken from book, where sodium peroxide reacted with oxygen at high temperature and pressure also gives sodium superoxide. So C is the correct option. What is the reason behind irregular electronic configuration of chromium and copper? So chromium should be 4s2 3d4, but it is 4s1 3d5. This is because one electron from S goes to D to make it half filled and therefore stable. And in copper we have configuration of expectation 4s2 3d9, but one electron from 4s goes to 3d to make it completely filled and again stable. So therefore both of them show abnormal configurations to give the stability of half filled and fully filled d orbitals. Which trend is observed in the reactivity of group 1 metals with chlorine gas? So group 1 metals generally have a trend that as we go down the group, reactivity increases. So cesium is the most reactive. So reactivity increases down the group in group 1 elements. Which of the following is correct configuration for palladium? So talking about palladium, it belongs to group 8b. So in 8b it belongs to 4d series. So its expected configuration is 5s2 4d8. But to make a full stable d orbital, it is 5s0 4d10. So C is the correct option. Which oxide of group 2 elements is amphoteric in nature? So generally abnormal trend is shown by the first element, which is not very metallic. So beryllium is less metallic, so its oxide shows non-metallic and metallic both behavior. So it is beryllium oxide which is amphoteric. Which transition series corresponds to element where electrons fill the 4d subshell? So 4d subshell is filled in second transition series. First transition series is 3d and second transition element series is 4d. So B is the correct option. Which oxide of chlorine produces strongest acid in water? So strongest acid is HClO4. It is produced when we dissolve Cl2O7 in water. So in water it gives HClO4, which is the strongest acid. So the higher the oxidation state of the element in its oxide, the stronger is its acidity as a general rule. On removing electrons from transition element, electrons are removed from. So this is a common concept that generally according to Aufbau's principle, 4s which is present in fourth shell is filled first and then 3d which is present in third shell according to Aufbau's principle. लेकिन जब इलेक्ट्रॉन को निकालना होगा तो 4s के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाहर हैं, ये ज़्यादा जल्दी रिमूव होंगे. सो पहले 4s में जाएंगे फिर 3d में, लेकिन निकलते हुए पहले 4s से निकलेंगे. Which of the following is correct product when sodium reacts with chlorine gas? So whenever sodium reacts with chlorine gas, we get NaCl. Sodium forms only a single chloride, which is not given in any of these options. Potassium in flame test produces a color of. So this is from flame test table in the book and it produces a color of lilac. Which group 1 metal reacts most violently with water? So we know that as we move down, the reactivity increases. So cesium is the most reactive with water. It is not in the option. So second correct option is rubidium. Most stable group 4 chloride is. So in group 4, the trend of stability of tetrachlorides is that as we move down, the oxidation state of +2 becomes more stable. So tin और lead की +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट स्टेबल है और ऊपर वालों की +4 स्टेबल है. सो टेट्राक्लोराइड ऊपर वालों की ज़्यादा स्टेबल होगी. सो CCl4 इज़ द मोस्ट स्टेबल. Of all the given radii, the largest radius is. So as a general rule, negative radius is larger than the neutral atom and neutral atom radius is larger than the positive cationic radius. So largest radius is negative or anionic radius. Which of the group 4 oxides is not amphoteric? So carbon monoxide is generally acidic because it is a non-metal oxide. So carbon monoxide and dioxide are both acidic oxides. Electron affinity is greatest for. So electron affinity increases along the period and decreases down the group. But keep in mind that period 3 elements have greater electron affinity than period 2. So along the period हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन फ्लोरीन आ जाते हैं सेकंड पीरियड के एंड सल्फर क्लोरीन आ जाते हैं थर्ड पीरियड के. सो थर्ड की सेकंड से ज़्यादा है, वी कट द सेकंड पीरियड ऑप्शन. In third period we have sulfur from group 6 and chlorine from group 7. So chlorine की electron affinity sulfur से ज़्यादा है. D is the correct option. Which electronic configuration has highest ionization energy? So these two are period 3 elements which have lower ionization energy due to greater size, and these two are period 2 elements. Now this belongs to group number 2 and this belongs to group number 3, and we know that abnormal trend of ionization energy is that group 2 has higher ionization energy than the group 3. Correct reaction between carbon monoxide and NaOH. So this is taken from book. Carbon monoxide is acidic and NaOH is basic. So they react to give us the salt sodium formate. So C is the correct option.